Hello, tiny techies. Did you know the sun can sneeze? It's called a solar flare. Achoo!
I'm detecting a massive burst of solar energy. Our magnetic shield is under attack.
Yeah.
But the shield is holding. We have time.
Look at them go! They sparkle and dance in colors of green and purple. We call them the Northern Lights.
Stay curious, my dears. Click the bell to join our family science club. See you at the next Brain Blast!